today's video, and I'm telling you why you have a whole wardrobe of clothes, but you feel like every time you need to get dressed, you have nothing to wear. Wardrobe ya how it let's get mixed veg. Mara mixed veg o pala lukuira salad ngwana ko hae ka yona, o pala lukuira lunch, dinner, breakfast, but wardrobe is kadiaparo. It's because you are probably making these mistakes that I'm going to talk about today. Plus, I'm going to give you a bonus tip that you can use on your next shopping spree. So, without wasting your time, Aratome. Before we talk about this, guys, I am loving this Shein foundation. Look at how cute it is. It is blending so well with all my other makeup. Like, I am utterly, completely impressed. But anyway, the first reason, right? The reason why wardrobe how it lets diaparo, but you feel like you've got nothing to wear, it's because you buy things just because they're cheap. Ubana molo rona mo Instagram rona di influencer re le bontsha di plaka re skipper ke 40 ranta but ku 100 ranta in ke 20 ranta. You go buy all of these things, but you don't actually plan out how they're going to fit into your wardrobe. So you have a bunch of cheap things that you just, they either don't look nice or they actually just don't make sense in your wardrobe. Let me tell you, I have made this mistake myself, okay? So the mistakes that I'm sharing are actually mistakes that I've also made. So don't feel bad. We are all in the same ship. So I'm going to give you an example, right? I have this red coat thing in my bob. I get to look at it. Egi regular because nela 100 rand ko Marabastad. Ene hakina plan ya yona that thing. Or go ya para kai kirangi is not make sure maraki regile. Now in this since ki reka azanga ka ya para. I also have this 2-piece set in so it was also 120, and I really don't know why I bought it, because for me it looks a little bit like kimatlata and in a little kinyana engwe okari ichipinyana. But the thing is, it was 120. I went crazy. I'm like, a 2-piece set for 120, and I've bought like 2 pieces that are very nice for 120. So I went crazy and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is 120. I'm gonna buy, right? And then I realized, Tore, it's sitting in my wardrobe now, and azanga kaya para. So please, we're not saying that you must not buy things because they're cheap. I advocate for shopping on a budget, but look at what you buy and see if it actually fits your wardrobe or not, so that you can avoid making mistakes that I have made in my life. So that's the first reason. The second thing that we do, we buy clothes for imaginary occasions that are not part of our daily life. Okay, I've done this myself. For example, I have this dress 2-piece thing. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful for a beach. When I go to the beach, I'm sure this year I guess last year, the year before agaya. So it's like, it's not making sense. And most of these things you buy and you save them for these occasions that you never have, because your life is not that type of life, boo. I have another one that I said, if I go to like a nice dinner, a nice gala dinner, gala dinner, Tomani, gala dinner. Since when? How? What? Why? Like, you see, we have all of these things in our wardrobes for these imaginary events that are just not going to materialize. If they materialize, then fine, buy it on the time it materializes. But you know that 90% of the time you're going to work and you're coming back, then buy stuff that fits your life. I know about dress for the job you want, mara arben practical, guys. So yeah, please, if you want to, you can get like, balance it out and say like 10% when you go shopping, even 5%. I'll even say 1% of the stuff you buy when you go shopping. You must buy stuff so it's for your imaginary life. The rest of the things must be practical for the life that you have today, my darling. Okay? Like, yeah, so please. And then the third reason is because the only time we are shopping is if unalelebaka or occasion that you need to attend or go to. So let's say you don't usually go out and your friends say, friend, let's go clubbing. And then now you go quickly rush or like a, freedom dress clubbing. And that's the only time you go shopping. Other than that, you don't go shopping at all. Now you have all of these things. You gotta mix veg ka mo drop on because nakwele uya clubbing, ka nakwele uya brunch le di chomi, ka nakwele khona le leso la semang mang nya kwa bontsho re wena wizu jawe. And it was how I di tlhakane. Gore ke mix veg ka mo dropong a wizu go hira halang. So please guys, be smart. Plan your shopping and be intentional about going shopping so that you don't just wait for occasions to go shopping. It's fine to shop for an occasion, but that cannot be the only time when ubona munya kwa jet or ubona munya kwa Mr. Price. So len nagel ausaluna, I have made these mistakes, okay? Wezo hona le jacket e ngwe regular so ya mazukuzuku fair coat. I say fair coat ne, but then like nearly this theme ya gore like leopard what like jungle, so ele like animal what so karaka mseso mongwa animal print le ntho ya fair coat ke re bona it's just for that occasion, but like now you tell du go dame ka mara odroba ka ke reng ka tsora. So yeah, ba bona hore I am berekela taba eo, I am berekela for call hona nung ke waste tšhelete doze as doze ke di aparang every day. A bonus reason that I want to share with you, but I get to is that even if you don't find things that you don't like go shopong, you buy them nonetheless because I hope that makes sense. So learn to have restraint, okay? So I can go out. I'll give you an example. I went to Denim SA. The first time I went to Denim SA, I wanted to go do a haul. I had about 1.5 ready to shop. They had some jeans, but the jeans were not, because they were waiting for stock to come. So then I only came out of there with 2 things. And I'll show you the reel actually that I did on that. And that you must learn to be disciplined and have some restraint, or else you're going to come back with things that you don't really want, and then now like you just have a bunch of stuff in your wardrobe that you can't make sense out of it, right? So those are the mistakes that we made, but not because Kaale rata ne agna go botsa fela ka di mistake ke tlo botsa ka the tip that you can use the next time you go shopping. The next time you go shopping, especially when you are starting, get yourself a capsule wardrobe type of shopping experience. So what I mean by buy yourself like a capsule is, for those of you who don't know what a capsule is a set of items that you have that you can mix and match in different ways to make a full outfit. So I will show you an example of a capsule that is mostly made from Marabastad stuff. My favorite type of capsule is a 7-piece capsule. So I'm going to show you these 7 items that I have mixed and matched to make a whole bunch of outfits. My one tip when going for a capsule, especially when you're new to capsules, is to center it around a nice pretty print, and then all the other stuff that you buy must be like block colors or just like a plain color that fits into that print that you have. So the capsule I'm showing you now is based on this beautiful 2-piece I got from Marabastad for 120, and then all my other stuff fit into that, so they're all black and white. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's gonna save you some money, and I hope lo thusa hore o ka hona lo ba le di mix fresh ka mara wardrobe ya hao, but obele structure sesipilanyana. But that is it. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. I'm currently sitting on 975 subscribers, 25 subscribers away from 1,000. So if you love my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube. But anyway, hi, thank you for tuning in. I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.